Welcome to everyone. This is Eoffice tutorial video presented by S&T Department, Tiruchirappalli Division. So today, what we are going to learn in Eoffice, very basic thing. First, receipts. What is a receipt in Eoffice? Then the second one, how to upload your existing scanned file. So you already have a hard copy of file and you might have scanned it, and how to upload that one into the Eoffice, or how to create a receipt with that one. The third one, how to create a file in Eoffice. And the fourth one, how to attach the created receipt into the file. So these are the basic things for working in Eoffice. So before starting, we will first come to know what is a receipt. Generally, the incoming and outgoing letters can be called as receipts. So this receipt is nothing but the soft copy of your letters. Maybe it can be a photo, or it can be a Xerox, or whatever it is. It might be a drawing or a bill, etc. Some letters you might be receiving in your office day to day. Previously, what we would do is file those letters into the existing file. We will just tie that one. But now in Eoffice, all those letters will be called as receipts. So the letters which are coming in from other departments or other offices to your office is called as a receipt. It will be placed in the inbox of receipt. So basically there are two inboxes in Eoffice. One inbox is for receipts alone, and the second inbox is for files. So when a receipt arrives to your login ID in Eoffice, it can be deemed as a hard copy letter as came to your office. Usually when a letter comes to your office, you will file it. This is the first thing you will do. When a hard copy of letter comes, the first thing we would do is to file it in the appropriate folder. Which category of the letter belongs to, in which file I have to file it. So we will check that one and we will file it. Then we will start working with that letter. In same way, in Eoffice, when a receipt arrives, it's nothing but a letter in soft copy, in PDF format. We have to file that receipt into the appropriate e-file. So not only the incoming letters can be called as receipts. Sometimes we have to prepare a letter and send it to the other offices. So that time also we will call the letters prepared by us as receipts in Eoffice. So sometimes there will be only necessity to send a letter alone, not the whole file. So we can create a receipt and send that receipt alone to the concerned person. So very beginning of, we will first learn how to create a receipt. That would be the basic thing of Eoffice. And the second basic thing is how to create a file. Usually our hard copy files will have noting side and correspondence side. Same like that, in Eoffice there will be a noting side as well as a correspondence side. So let's begin. As you are all aware, once you log in into the Eoffice, this will be the Eoffice homepage. When you log in into your Eoffice, to work with the e-files, you have to go into File Management System. As you can see here, Eoffice Services is there. Below that one, on the left hand side, you can see File Management System. We have to click on that one. And your file management system has opened. Now on the left hand side, you can see some menus are there. First is receipts, the second one is files, then migrate file, dispatch, digital signature, settings, all those things are there. Basically we are going to handle these two things. First the receipt, then the files. We are going to work on with these two only at the beginning. So as per the first point, how to create a receipt. Now I have a scanned file with me. This is the old file which we are having as a hard copy, and as you can see here, this is the old file. It belongs to some BSNL bill. So this is the old file. Actually it is of 18 MB. If I upload this 18 MB, then the tutorial video will take a lot of time. So I have extracted 3 pages from it, and I am going to use this one for the demo purpose. Only 3 pages are there. The third one is blank one. It's just for the demo purpose. So this file I am going to use. So how to create a receipt with the scanned file. So on the side menu, click on receipts, then automatically it will show what are all the incoming receipts which came to your login, and there is an inbox. If you click on the inbox, all your incoming receipts will be shown. By selecting those receipts, and you can put those receipts into a file by selecting it. Now we will create a new receipt with the scanned file. This is the basic thing. I have clicked on browse and diarise, the first option for creating a receipt. Here you can see upload only PDF up to 20 MB. So Eoffice has a limitation for uploading PDF files only as a receipt. Why they have given so? Because PDFs can't be edited. So for security purposes, they have said to only upload PDF file. So whatever letter you are having, or whatever plan, or whatever it is, you have to convert it into a PDF first, and then only you have to upload. And moreover, it should be within 20 MB. So now I am going to click on upload file. So my files have been shown here. I will select and click open. It is getting uploaded. Now you can see the file has been uploaded. The scanned file is uploaded in Eoffice. Then the next thing, on the right hand side, you can see contact details. You can type your name here, your designation, and then address as Office of Senior DST. I am typing here whichever office you are you can type it, and then the category and subject. Here you can see some fields have an asterisk symbol. That means it is mandatory field, it should be filled. So here in category and subject also, main category is a mandatory field. So I am going to click this menu, and it will show many options. Since this receipt belongs to BSNL bills, I am going to search as bills, and here it is. I am going to select the category as bills. The receipt category is of bills category, so I am selecting into that one. Then the subject, you have to say what this receipt is for. Let us keep a name, scanned file or scanned bill file, scanned bills of 2019-20. That's it. I have given all the mandatory fields. Now you can click on generate to create a receipt. So this is how the receipt can be created. So the file, we have to upload the file, and it should be within 20 MB, and it should be of a PDF file. First thing is this one, and the second thing, you have to fill on those form fields which are mandatory. Now I am going to click on generate. Now the receipt has been created. Here you can see the receipt details. The receipt number is shown here, then from my name, and then its category, address, everything. So what we have given, it will be shown on the right hand side. Now we have created a receipt with our scanned file. So where it will be, you can click on created. In the receipts, you have to go to the field created, and here you can see the receipt which I have created. If I click on that one, then you can open it and you can see what we have created. So now the receipt has been created. What we can do with this receipt? As I said earlier, receipt is nothing but a letter or correspondence. Once a letter comes to you, what we will do? We will put it in a file. So same like that way, we are going to put this one into a file. But for putting a receipt into a file, we have to create a file, because we have not yet created a file in Eoffice. So this is our next work. We will go to the files menu on the left hand side. Now there are many options. Again, you can see an inbox. In inbox, if you click, you can see the incoming files. So now we are going to create a file. So downside, you can see create new option is given here. Create new. I'm going to click on that one. So this is the cover page of your Eoffice file. And here also you can see some form fields having asterisk symbol, which means those are mandatory. So on the first field, click on the arrow. It will give many options. We are going to give it as Southern Railway, SR. Southern Railway. Then the second one, we can give it as which division we belong to. Tiruchirappalli. And the third one as department, and the fourth one, which category this file belongs to. Here there are many options. So since this receipt which we have created belongs to bills, I am searching, is there any option belongs to bill? If it is not there, it can be created. So as of now I am creating it as demo. The next field, the number for the file, which it will be allotted by the system itself. We can't allot the file number, it will be created by its own. Then the next one, description. As per railway board guidelines, the file number can be maintained as the old hard copy file number in order to avoid confusion. So I am going to give the old file number and name. So you can see here I have typed the file number. So that's it. We are going to create a file by clicking the button continue working. And you can see here file number will be generated. Number generated will be final and cannot be edited. So be very cautious while giving the name of the file, I mean the description of the file, and the file number. File number means whether it is Southern Railway or Tiruchirappalli division, all those details. Once you are confident with the file number, you can proceed, click OK. Now the file has been created. This is how the empty file looks in Eoffice. This is the file page, and here on the top side you can see name, subject which we have given to the file, and file number is shown here. So there are two options to attach a receipt to the file. That means when a letter comes to you, you will put it in a file, I mean you will file it. Same way, a receipt as came, a soft copy of the letter as came to us. Now we have to attach that one into a e-file. There are two ways to do the same. Here the left hand side shows the noting side and the right hand side is the correspondence side. So we have to place the letters on the correspondence side, and the approval note or sanction note, whatever it is, it will be created in the left hand side. So on the right hand side, on the correspondence side, on the top you can see TOC, recent, all three tabs are there. I am going to click on TOC. List of correspondences and issues, it's the heading, and here you can see receipt bar issue number, all those things. I am going to click on the button attach. It will show the receipts which we have created or which are in our inbox. So very beginning it is showing our created receipt. You can select the radio button here, and at the down side if you scroll down, there is a button to attach this receipt. This is one way of attaching the receipt or your scanned file. First we have to create a receipt with your scanned file, then you can attach that one to the Eoffice file. This is one way, by clicking a TOC, then clicking this button attach. The other way around is to go directly to the receipts created, the receipt which we have created, click on that one, and top of this one you can see put in file. Once I click that one, on the right hand side it shows all the files which we have. So we have created the file, and here it is, and I am going to select that one with the radio button. So this is the other way around to attach the receipt to the file. So now by clicking attach button, the receipt will be sent to the file which we have created. Now the receipt has been sent to the file. So again we are going into the files menu, completed. Here you can see the created file. That's it. On the right hand side, the scanned file or the receipt has popped up and it is displayed. So by seeing these correspondences, you can create a note on the left hand side and put up for approval or sanction or whatever it is. So that's it for today. In the next session, we will learn how to upload PDF files which are beyond 20 MB. So some cases the file size might go beyond 20 MB, but Eoffice has a limitation of 20 MB. So how to upload such scanned files? So in the next session we will learn about it.